I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bean paste soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of red beans, ideally soaked overnight to soften them. Next, prepare about 1/2 cup of sugar, which you can adjust to your taste. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 4 cups of water or broth to create the perfect base for our comforting soup. These simple items are all you need to begin this delightful culinary journey. Now that we have our ingredients, let's start cooking the beans. First, drain your soaked red beans and give them a good rinse. Then transfer them to a pot and add 4 cups of fresh water. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let the beans cook for about 1 to 2 hours, or until they are incredibly tender and easily mashed. This slow cooking process is key to a smooth paste. With our beans perfectly cooked, it's time to transform them into a smooth paste. Carefully drain most of the cooking liquid, but be sure to reserve about 1/2 cup. You can mash the tender beans by hand using a potato masher or a fork for a slightly chunkier texture. For a super smooth paste, transfer them to a food processor and blend until creamy. Gradually add the reserved liquid back in until you reach your desired consistency, making it just right for your soup. Finally, let's bring everything together to finish our delicious bean paste soup. In a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add your freshly made bean paste and the remaining 1/2 cup of sugar to the pan. Stir continuously for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the sugar to dissolve and the paste to thicken slightly. This gentle cooking helps meld the flavors beautifully. Serve your warm bean paste soup as a delightful and comforting treat. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.